Hello everyone, my name is Lawrence and today I'm going to be discussing how you can invest in a Nairobi Stock Exchange in details, how you can buy, how you can sell, what are the requirements. Those are the things that I'm going to be discussing today. So let us start. So, briefly, we'll be talking about Kenyan stock markets. So to those ones who may not know, Kenya in East Africa actually is has the largest stock market with around over 60 companies that are listed on Kenyan Stock Exchange, and it is the most active, most liquid and most volatile stock market in East Africa. So that's the reason why you should be interested in Kenyan stock market. So I'll be discussing today in detail, step by step, how you can start investing in Kenyan stock market. So step one, you have to first look for broker or a licensed brokerage firm before you do anything else. So I have like some brokerage in Kenya, like 4 so far, but for me I'm using one. So I will give you the examples of the brokers that you can use in Kenya, and all of them, they have online platform. You can use Kingdom Securities, you can use Dyer and Breyer, you can use AIB Securities, you can use NIC Securities. So there are very many investment banks and the brokerage firms. So if you want to start investing in a Nairobi Stock Exchange, one, you should first look for the licensed and credible investment and its brokerage firm. You can go over the internet. If you go also to Nairobi Securities Exchange website, you can also find the list of those ones, of those brokerage firms that you can trust to start investing in Nairobi Stock Exchange. So after finding a brokerage firm that you can trust, the second thing that you have to do, actually they are the ones who will do it for you. They will ask you to open a brokerage account, which is most of the time they call them Central Depository System account. So the Nairobi, that brokerage firm that you have chose, they will guide you to fill that they call it CDS account. So when you want to open, for example, the CDS account, it will, in the Kenyan Stock Exchange, they will ask you one, your original photocopy of passport, driving license, or national ID. Second, they will ask you two passport size photograph. They will also ask you, if you don't have a bank account, they may ask you the location slip. So those are the three. They will ask you CDS account, which is a Central Depository account, Central Depository System account. Second, they will ask you 2 passport photographs. Thirdly, they will also ask you the account, the bank statement, or they may ask you the location slip or the bill of the last payment of your. So after that, after filling, then they will ask you, the brokerage account will ask you to liquidate or credit your CDS or Central Depository System account so that you can start trading. So you can actually if it's not online account, if you want to start trading, you can do it immediately, because they are going to give you your brokerage account. They will also give you their account where you can deposit the money, so that the money can be deposited on your brokerage account. So when they give you the account, they will tell you you can credit your account. So after, if you have the money immediately, you can go and bank the money. So after banking the money, so you will be ready for trading. So then after brokerage account, after filling the CDS account, so the next one is you'll be ready for trading. So when you start, you want to buy shares. If you're conversant with the shares, if you can do your own independent research by having interest in which companies you want to buy. So the prominent ones in Kenya, you can buy Safaricom, you can there are many companies actually. Safaricom, Barclays Bank, there are many banks, Standard Chartered Bank, energy sector, you can Kenya Power. So there are many companies in Kenya which are actually, they are attractive, which you can start investing. So if you have found the company that you want to invest in, you can also actually ask the advice from your brokerage firm by telling him your plan. If you plan to invest for a long time, you tell him your plan, investing whether you want long term, you want medium term, you want dividend paying. So you talk to your brokerage firm if you don't have experience to invest in the stock market, so that they can give you a guidance. So let us say you have chose the company you want to invest in. So the second thing is, for example, if you have an email, you can write to the brokerage firm the company you are interested in, how many shares you want to buy, and at what price. So after knowing what price, which company, and at what amount, you write to the brokerage account instructing them to press a bid for that company. So if your bid meets the price of that company, they will execute your order. Therefore, after executing your order, they will write to you by saying they have executed your order at this price, giving you the details of the purchase. So after buying the stock, and that's it. So that's how you can buy shares on stock exchange. So then secondly, how can you sell shares on the stock market? Actually, in the same way, if you have your company, you want to sell shares, maybe you have other reasons, you want to invest the money or it has made profits, what you do, if you don't have an online platform, is you just have to write to your brokerage firm, instructing the brokerage firm how many shares, which company, and at what price you would want to sell your shares. So after instructing them, and your bid, your sale price meets the price that people are willing to pay the price, your stockbroker will execute your order. Then it depends on what you want to use the money for. If you want to take the money, or if you want to take your money, you will order your money by giving him even also the bank details where they can deposit your money. Or if you want to invest it in another security, in another company, for example, you can also instruct. So it depends. After selling that your shares and the money it depends on you on what you want to use your money for. So basically that's how you can invest in the stock market. But something that is good about Nairobi Securities Exchange is because they have an online trading platform. So if you have registered with Kenyan brokerage firm, please, it's not that I'm trying to discredit the brokerage firm that do not have an online trading platform, but it's very, very, very important, especially if you're not living in Kenya or if you're not living around where the brokerage firm operates, to open an online trading platform. Because if you open it, you can be able to buy, sell shares without the rating to the brokers, because after registering on online trading platform, you'll be able to trade where you are, whether you're using a computer, whether you're using a phone, as long as you have an online trading platform. So that is the best thing about Nairobi Securities Exchange compared to other securities exchange in East Africa. So please, if you're going to invest in the Nairobi Stock Exchange, remember to tell your broker or ask them if they have an online trading platform, so that you can start trading an online trading platform, because it's good. Actually, for me, it's what I use. I don't need to I don't need to write to the broker so that they can straight for me, because already I registered for the online trading platform. So I always check and see if how my companies are doing well, how my shares are doing. If they are doing fine, I mean, if I need to sell, I just go to my phone and just execute my orders if the price meets what the traders are looking for. I sell. Simple. So basically that's how you can invest in Nairobi Securities Exchange. So if you're interested, if you like my content, if you love what I'm doing, please do not forget to subscribe. And if you have any comment, you have any questions, please, you can write down your comment so that I can try for you. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, because I'll be bringing more of the videos on how you can search for the company. I'll be giving you what you need to know before you invest in the stock market. So I'll be bringing more videos regarding how you can grow your investments in the stock markets. So thank you for watching. I'll be waiting for your comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.